What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fixer Rick. Today I want to talk about this little plastic device. It's actually two pieces, but these plastic devices saved my parents from getting into a horrible car wreck. You see the text message right up here that a deer ran out into the road and it suddenly stopped. It freaked out and then turned back around and then went back into the woods. Now, if you know anything about deer, they don't just suddenly stop, look at what's coming at them, and then run back into the woods. Deers are very skittish, but they also freeze, they lock up with fear. But these are called deer whistles. And I've seen it for myself. I've seen the deer on the side of the road that's just kind of standing there, and as I drive by it, it freaks out because of the whistling noise that this makes. You can't hear it. I can't hear it. You can't hear it. It's just so subtle that the deer can hear it. The deer hear it, they don't like it, they get freaked out, and then they run back into the woods. So you're literally saving a deer's life with this, and you're saving yourself from a terrible car accident. And these are just so incredibly easy to install. So I'm going to show you exactly where I put them on my parents' car, and I'm going to put them on my car. So this kit comes with two whistles. You need both of them because one side has a really big hole in it and the other one does not. This one actually makes a really high pitch whistle, and I believe this one makes a super low pitch whistle, and the two of them together is what scare the deer. So the side that has the hole in it, you want to put that on the passenger side of your vehicle. I made the surface really clean and then I dried it nice and dry. This is exactly where I put it on my parents' car. You go ahead and you stick it right there. Now the instructions may give you a place where, they recommend that you put it, and that's what I would say go with. Okay, we've got our second whistle. Let's go ahead and put that on the driver's side. This is the side that does not have the big hole in the back. So that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so with that being said, if you want to get yourself a pair of deer whistles, I strongly recommend it, because if you're driving in an area where there's a lot of deer, a lot of caribou, a lot of animals, wild animals that are just running out in the road, you never know. You want to keep the animals safe, and you certainly want to keep yourself safe, and you don't want any damage done to your car, right? I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can go ahead and buy these deer whistles. These are great stocking stuffers. You can get them for your whole family. This is one of those presents that you get for that guy who has everything. If I were to get this as a gift, I think that this would be awesome. So if you found this video to be really helpful, go ahead, click on the link below so you can buy some deer whistles for you, your family members, your friends, your relatives. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe to this channel. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem.